Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Guddi Shah, your realtor for life. I'm here at a new home. I've been showing them property since morning, and there's so much, the market is so hot right now. People are out there and taking advantage of the low interest rate which is there, which is offered, and the prices which are so amazing right now, taking advantage of the new homes which are there in the market. Maybe if you're looking in Harvest Green, if you're looking in Aliana, Sienna Plantation, if you're looking in Riverstone, I was there in the morning. Then right now I'm in Harvest Green right now and going towards Aliana. There's so many buyers. I am working with a couple of buyers who are showing the properties, and one property, in fact, I just love this floor plan. So I'm going to take a quick tour with all of you guys, listening to me, looking at me right now. And I want to tell you, if you're looking for a house which is 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, maybe it's your first house, or maybe you're looking for an investment house, somewhere the price range starts from 280, 295 to 360, 370. But a good school district, new houses, with granite countertops, gas stove, amazing cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Everything is just so beautiful and at a good price range. And if there's a Jamaat Khana which is coming in Harvest Green, as we all know, I closed one in Spring where Jamaat Khana has also opened in Spring area. So there's one which I closed. So all of you guys, looking for a house, reach out to me, 713-396-2066. This is Guddi Shah, your realtor for life. And let me switch the camera over here so I can show you what I'm telling you. So this is where the entrance is. It's wooden tiling. It looks like hardwood, but it's tiles. This is your dining area. You can make it a den as well. You can make it an office too. You can have a door over here, French door, and make it an office as well. Going inside, open floor plan, stainless steel appliances, white cabinets. I love the granite in here. It's huge. Recessed lights, crown molding all over. The best part is the house has the more space where, there's nothing which is wastage. That is something which I really consider in a house, that none of the area is wasted. If you see, with our stuff, we really need a stove like this, which is 5 grill, microwave, pantry, which is a must in our houses. A house like this can cost you around 300, 315, 320, depending upon what upgrades you want. This one would go for 325. It has covered patio. If you see, the patio is so beautiful as well. And then of course your yard. This is the other home which is building next to it. Going inside, I'm going to take you towards the master bed as well. So this is how the house looks from this side, if you see. I'm in Harvest Green. Reach out to me. I have my contacts with all the builders so we can get the best price as well. There are 2 closets, his and her, which is really ideal, I think, and I really like that feature as well. There's your master tub and your full shower over here. And the master bedroom has its privacy as well. This is one closet, so much room. I mean, I like the fact, like over here, they didn't need it to put any closet, but I like the way that they have put one closet, because we have so much stuff. We have like so much stuff with us. So more the place, more the closet, better for us, right? That's your utility room. That's one bedroom over here. Walk-in closet. This is a small game room, which, you know, if you have daughters and kids, little toddlers, they can have their play area over here. Next to the living room, so you can have a watch on them as well, you know, what they're doing too. Because you don't want to live, you don't want to keep them away from you while they are playing. They should be there where you can see them as well, right? Again, Guti Shah, your realtor for life. 713-396-2066. Really love this feature. And of course, 2-car garage. That's your attic going up. Reach out to me if you know someone who is looking to purchase a property, whether it's Aliana, Harvest Green, Sienna Plantation, Katy, Cinco Ranch, Spring area, where the new Jamaat Khana is. There's one new Jamaat Khana coming on Harlem also, I'm sure you all know. And you're looking for something like that. And even if you're not looking, you know, maybe you want to downsize, maybe you want to buy a property as an investment. Think about it, you know, it's going to be a great investment for you. So however it is, reach out to me and spread the word. I'd appreciate it if you share this video also. Thank you all of you who are watching. Ali Bhai, Sadaf, Amir Bhai, Danish, everyone watching me right now. This is Guti Shah. And yes, to serve you, whether you are buying a new house, selling your old house, upgrading, downsizing, commercial. I just sold a gas station a couple of months ago, which was at a very good price in Santa Fe. I sold some convenience stores too in Pearland, and there was this other house which I was touring with you guys, the Riverstone house with swimming pool. We had 9 offers on that property, and I sold that house in one day. Thank you, God. Thank you. So yes, and I come along with my experience. This is my 13th year in real estate. And just being happy that this is what I love to do. This is my passion. You all know it. And however it is, if I can help you in any which ways, I would definitely do. So thank you, Gaurav, for watching as well. Share this video. Arifa, thank you. Share this video with your loved ones. And if anyone is looking for a property, whether it is for yourself or you're looking for a investment property as well, somewhere in this prices where you know down the road, you know, you're gonna have a good equity in the house. That is something which you really want to buy. 280 to 360, the price range. We can get a single story, we can get a 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, vice versa, 2-story, single story, everything, plus game room. Not to forget that, because nowadays people love game room too. So yes, thank you. Adios. Again, my number is 713-396-2066. Thank you.